package time. Alright. So this is some stuff I ordered on Finn.no, Norwegian version of, I don't know, Craigslist. And it's been sitting here a while. It should contain some goodies. Alright. Holy. Okay, let's see. Some cartridges. Just get all these individual packages out. They seem to be very good packaged, well packaged, which is nice. Let's see. So, guess you can already see what this is. Nintendo control for the NES. It's decent. And let's see. We have one more controller. It's for the SNES. Seems to be in decent shape as well. And we have a Nintendo 64 controller. The joystick on this one does not seem perfect. But other than that, it seems okay. Then let's have a look at this. Oh, that is a lot bigger than I thought they were actually. It's actually my first SNES, a Super Nintendo. Never had one. I think maybe my brother did at some point. actually flashed the power LED when I did that. Must have been like a cap, charged cap. Okay, this seems like it's in really good shape actually. Seems pretty perfect, and it's nice and gray, not yellowed, which is nice. That is sweet. It just needs a bit of cleaning. Wow, it's huge. Well, it's my first console. Well, Super Nintendo console. And this should be the power supply unit. AC adapter, model number NES 002E. Nice. It's very blue. Good. Just put this over here, and there's I think this is not original, but it's just a multi-out cable, composite and sound, which is nice. And then we have some more goodies. Asterix. I think this came with the console. Or someone used a marker on that one. What's it say? I don't even know what it says. This is Donald in Maui Mallard. I've played this on my RetroPie cabinet, and it's a pretty cool game. Let's see. Oh yes. It's very loose. Street Fighter 2. Come on, focus. Focus. Turbo. That's very cool. And Super Mario All-Stars, which I think is a just a pack with multiple Super Mario. Yeah, it's right there on the label actually. So it's Super Mario Brothers, Super Mario 2 and 3. Yeah, this is also one of the ones that came with the console. It's just Looney Tunes. Busts loose. What is with this focus? Yeah. Never played it. Hopefully it's cool. And Aladdin. Come on. I feel like I remember playing this on Super Nintendo somewhere, but I'm not sure. I have played that on my RetroPie cabinet as well, and it's also very good. So and says Prince of Persia. That is a strange label. Maybe that is the... I guess it's the original one. Should be an original cartridge. Seems to be. Okay, so that's it for the Super Nintendo games. Some good loot. Now we have some NES games, because I bought a Nintendo Entertainment System a while ago, and it's supposed to be broken. I bought it in that condition because it was really cheap and it looked very nice on the outside. So even if it's not working, I can just use the case. And hopefully I can just repair it or something. But I didn't have any games for it, so I bought some games, and that's also why I bought the controller for the Nintendo. So I will have to test that and do some debugging if it doesn't work. But anyway, the games I bought was Super Mario Brothers 3, which I've also played on my RetroPie cabinet. Very nice. I love these cartridges. The Nintendo ones are awesome. They're big and chunky. And then we have DuckTales. I love DuckTales, just everything about it basically. Can't wait to play this. Focus on the label, please. There we go. It's very nice. And the last one is just an old classic Tetris, which I also love to play, to be honest. I've been playing that on my RetroPie cabinet as well. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed the content, please leave a like and maybe subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions or feedback, just leave a comment in the comment section below. Bye for now.